down. Okay, so now factoring by grouping, the difference between this and the last ones is that I've got 4 different terms. Not 2, not 3, I got 4. And look at the order of the exponents. Starts off a cubed, then squared, then just n itself, and then a constant. Okay, so when you have this type of case, that's when I want to split this up into a grouping method. All right, so what I like to do is we split it right down the middle. Okay, and what you're going to do, the first step is you're going to look for a common factor, a GCF, with these first 2 numbers. So what's the GCF for these 2 numbers here? Okay, 3. What about the n? What's in common? Is it 1 n or 2 n's? How many in common? 2, right? I just go over to the one that has the least amount of n's. All right, so n squared. So there's my GCF, 3n squared. All right, now I'm going to write out the factor that's left over after factoring that out. So 3n squared times what gives me the first term? Just n. Okay, then 3n times what gives me 18n squared? Minus, not 5, 6. All right, so now I'm done with the left side. Now I got to go to the right. Over here, I actually start with this part, not the GCF. I don't look for the GCF for these 2. You guys know what goes here? What's that? 5? No, I just basically take whatever I got here and repeat it over here. So these, you write whatever you get from here, you repeat it the same thing over here. Now I say to myself, what would you have to multiply here to get negative 5n? Like what times n equals negative 5n? Negative 5. Okay, now check the second term. Does negative 5 times negative 6 equal positive 30? Yeah, okay. And that should work. All right, so now here's how you set up your factors. All right, so that's pretty much it. You just split them, find the GCF here, bring that over there. We call it matching the pair. And now the first, and you're going to end up with 2 in parentheses, just like a trinomial. I take the first, these 2 terms here, and that goes inside here. So 3n squared minus 5, and then these 2 just become 1. I just write it once to the right. Okay, and there's your factors. All right, and then that's it. So you split it, find the GCF, repeat that over there, and then these 2 numbers go in the first parentheses, the first factor, and then this one you just write down once down here. Okay, and that's that whole expression factored out. Okay, quick questions on that? Anything? Or show